Do you want to speak English fluently right now? Here is the best technique for you. Just create a chain like this. I am Yogesh from Delhi. Delhi is a beautiful city. There are many beautiful cities in India. India is a great country. There are many great books on Amazon. Amazon is a famous website. Narendra Modi is a famous politician. I do not want to become a politician because I do not like politics. I like visiting new cities. There are many new things in life. Life is a gift from God. Nobody has seen God. Everybody talks about God. Everybody should go for morning walk. Morning walk is good for health. As simple as that. What are you waiting for? Start it right now.